So tonight, I'm going to share something interesting, or at least interesting to me. And on first inspection, it's just a metal rod. It's about 3/16 in diameter, and a little over, I don't know, probably about 27, 28 inches. And if you look at the end, it tapers down and is carefully brazed to this piece right here. Now, there's not much special about that. Doesn't do anything. Not very resonant. It's not even very strong. It's very easy to bend. But if you were to put it in an assembly, such as this, you'll see that they're very similar. Very similar, but of different lengths. The properties of that steel rod become a little bit different. And it might make a sound that's very familiar to you. Now, as you can see, this one's pretty simple. It's I think it had a total of 6 before I removed this one. But they get to be quite complex. And I happen to have a slightly more interesting piece here. It's pretty heavy, actually. So I've got a cast iron head, and each piece is brazed to that brass piece. This is cast iron, and it would be mounted inside of a case. And struck by little wooden hammers with a bit of leather or felt on the end. So, just figured I'd share these. I thought they were quite interesting when I was given them. Though the person who gave me them was not very excited about them at all. See different lengths on there. Yeah. The longer it is, the deeper the tone. The shorter it is, the higher the tone. So, yeah, these come out of mechanical clocks and are the tone rods, the bells. And without this iron, without this cast iron piece here, they simply don't make very much noise at all. Again, I can show you that piece that I took off. Doesn't make any noise at all, really. And hold on, let me rebend that. Again, they're pretty easy to bend. Actually, quite easy to straighten out as well. So I'll reinstall this one. Show you what that sounds like. Okay, so here it is reinstalled. It's this top one right here. And as you can see, it sounds about the same as when I had it out. But if I release my finger from it, I just let it be suspended in the iron here. Makes a pleasant tone. That's it.